Hey, good morning. My name is Rick. I'm the Assistant General Manager here at AirTech of Houston. Today, what we're going to go over for tech tip is static pressure and why it's important for a technician to check your static pressure. Static pressure is what we use to check your system for the airflow going across, and it can be related to checking your blood pressure on a human body. The more restricted the airflow is going through the system, the less capacity you're going to receive and the more inefficient that machine's going to work. So it's just like having high blood pressure. If you got high blood pressure and your health risk, the same applies if you're having high static pressure inside your HVAC system also. So that's your tech tip for today, and thank you.